My name is Francisco Morales. I grew up in Wilmington. Let me share with you how LA Trade Tech prepared me. First of all, I decided to come to Trade Tech because they've been around for many years. My grand my grandparents came to LA Trade Tech and, and received their certificates from LA Trade Tech, and they used to talk and share stories about how they learned and became very successful in what they were doing because they're now retired. That was part of my decision to come to LA Trade Tech. I started by taking one class per semester, and I did that for about 2 years. And then I decided to leave my full-time job to enroll in a 2-year program. And I committed myself to the 2-year program, the carpentry program. And I used to dream about becoming um, a student here. I used to drive by the school every day for about 7 years and used to watch the students work on the houses on the side of the school. So that's how my dream started. And I became interested in the program. I read about the program. I visited the school. And when the first day that I started taking classes, I, I knew I was in the right place. So far, it's been 2 years. I feel that I have the skills at least the basic skills to go in and understand the language when working with other construction workers or people in the field. I know the names of the tools. I know how to use the tape measurement. I know how to use power tools and just the language. It's a different type of language that you also have to learn. So I think the teachers, the instructors, they really take the time to make sure they cover all the different angles. And so at the end of the 2-year program, when you leave the program, you are very well prepared to almost do anything out there in the field. Um, and so I would recommend the program to anyone that that wants to learn and has the the just motivation. And like me, it was a dream come true. I'm integrating my social work life and my skills, and I did that for 20 plus years. And I think integrating carpentry into that field uh, was meant to be that way because there's a lot of need for housing for the homeless population in our surrounding areas. And I want to become part of the solution. And I felt that even though I had a job and I wanted to learn something different, something that I could maybe one day when I retire, I can also volunteer. And so this program really prepared me not for just today, but also for the future. So I'm really happy, and I just want to thank everybody that was involved in my learning process. Thank you. So I threw that in there, but yeah.